Good morning everyone! This video was taken in Kidsania. Remember po yung Kidsania, sabi ko, yung you go there na parang mag-ano ka ng passport, bibili ka ng ticket, parang it's a pretend country, another place abroad that you go to, and you would look for a job. And you also get paid, tapos i-deposit yun sa bangko mo. Mag-open ka ng bank account before you get inside the Kidsania. So, ito po ang isa sa mga job nila, firefighter. Kaya lang, dahil 4 ang kino-cover ko, iba-iba yung mga pinupuntahan, hindi ko na-cover. Sayang, nakita ko ito, pero hindi na sila yung nagpe-perform nun. May parang bahay na aanuhan nila, i-spray nila talaga with water. It's a pretend na fire at i-sprayhan nila ng water. The kids really had fun, and I'm sorry I was not able to catch it. Di kaya ng paparazzi, ma'am. Yung 4 na nag-iikutan, kailangan kong i-video lahat. Well, anyway, I just got a portion of it. So yan po, tuwang-tuwa sila because they said they got to play with real water. Like a pretend, yan, firefighter. It will be nice going back there. Pero wala na po, di ba sabi ko yung Kidsania nagsara na. But it's a very good experience for your kid to have. They get to do it hands-on. May not be the real one, pero it's a pretend one. Like, parang totoo lang din. So, it makes them aware paano ang magkakaroon ng trabaho at paano ang magkikita. At the end of the day, yung income nila, pwede nila pambili ng souvenir nila doon sa souvenir shop. Hindi lang po mga anak namin na nag-enjoy nito, pati kami mga matatanda. Kaya lang super talaga pagod at nagugutom ka rin, parang wala kang time kakain, mag-snacks. Because the experience is so nice, you feel like you cannot just miss it. Kaya ayaw mo na rin kumain just for that. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.